What's up guys, Trav White here. So this is every single hair product I use to care for and style my medium length hair. We're talking that 2 to 4 inches in length, kind of that middle medium length, if you will. So I'm gonna start with hair care. First up is my shampoo and conditioner. So my scalp is pretty balanced. It's not overly greasy, it's not overly dry. My hair texture is pretty fine, meaning if you were to take one strand of hair and roll it between your fingers, I could barely feel it. I do have a pretty thick density, meaning the average hair per square inch is very thick. I need a shampoo that is going to be good for my balanced scalp, but a conditioner that's going to be moisturizing enough for my thick density hair. So for this reason, I can't really stick to sets. For example, if I get a volumizing set, what usually happens is there's a lightweight shampoo and a lightweight conditioner because the goal is to lift flat hair. But the lightweight conditioner ends up being a little bit too watery and it leaves my hair pretty thirsty. So I can't really stick to sets. But for my balanced scalp, that lightweight shampoo, it works wonders. I kind of have to mix and match to find what I like. The solution that I found to this is Kerastase. And the reason I chose Kerastase is because they don't really change their fragrances from line to line. So you can kind of mix and match and still get the same scent. So for my shampoo, I use the Densifique line from Kerastase. So for my conditioner, I still use Kerastase, but I use a different line. I use the Kerastase Resistance line. I know, don't judge my French, all right? It sucks, I know. It's thicker, it's more moisturizing. It's also strengthening. It has proteins, amino acids, ceramides, which is really good for my fine textured hair because fine textured hair tends to break a lot easier than coarse or medium textured hair does. So it has the increased conditioning agents that my thick density hair needs, along with the proteins, the strengthening component for my fine textured hair, and then the shampoo is perfect for my balanced scalp from the Densifique line. Additionally, one time per week, I use the Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. This hair mask, guys, I'm telling you, it's magical. It leaves my hair silky, silky smooth. It feels like, I don't know, it just feels like satin almost. It's insane. So I highly recommend this mask one time per week if your hair really craves those heavy conditioning agents. By the way, if you're sitting there wondering, like, what am I talking about when I'm using words like hair texture, hair density, scalp moisture level? I have a free app that you can download that you can figure out what your unique hair characteristics are. It's called Mannered Manes. It's free on Android and iOS. If you're struggling with hair care, beard care, hair growth, anything men's grooming related, this is like having a pro hairstylist in your pocket. When you first onboard on the app, you're gonna fill out your hair profile. We're gonna ask you a couple questions and you'll answer them, and this is how you discover what your unique hair type is. There's also a social media aspect where you can post photos, you can post videos, you can ask the community any questions you have. There's also an AI component. There's kind of like a GPT that takes your unique hair profile, reads all your data, and it can answer any questions that you have. There's also an AI image generator, so you can try on different hairstyles. If you're curious what you look like with colored hair, with shorter hair, with longer hair, then definitely check it out. It's free to download in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Mannered Manes, go check it out. Anyways, I just covered hair care. So now I'm gonna shift over to styling because the styling products that I use really depend on what look I'm going for. But regardless of the look, I always use one styling tool, and that is my Leif-In blow dryer. This thing is super high quality. Leif-In is also today's video sponsor. They've been a sponsor in the past because I really do love their product, and it's no different for this video. But this blow dryer does everything I need it to do. So I personally use the Leif-In Swift model, and you can get the bundle that has the 3 nozzle attachments. There's a regular nozzle, there's a concentrator nozzle, and there's a diffuser. And their technology is engineered to avoid heat damage. They use a microprocessor intelligent chip that reads the temperature monitoring 100 times per second, and it can calibrate the air temperature and make sure that it's not blowing out too hot of air so it doesn't overheat and give you heat damage. Another really cool feature is their auto circulate feature. You hold the on button for 2 to 3 seconds, this will automatically cycle temperatures between hot, warm, and cool, so you're not blowing hot air on one area for too long. It's just kind of auto cycling between them all. To me, that type of innovation, that type of thought that goes into heat protection is what separates the Lefen blow dryer from other brands. In addition, they also have 1 billion negative ions, really helps neutralize that static electricity that's generated from the blow drying in order to reduce frizz. And my favorite thing about this is really just how quickly I can dry my hair. I'm, soaked to dry in 1 to 2 minutes. Right now, I know Father's Day is right around the corner. They're offering a fantastic limited time discount. The discount does auto apply on the Lefen website, and if you shop on Amazon, you can just check that coupon box. So click that link in the description and check out this high-end blow dryer while supplies last. So back to styling. If I'm going for more of a pompadour type look, I'm talking thickness, volume, kind of high hold, then I will start with damp hair, either just washed and conditioned, or if I'm starting dry, then I'll spray some sea salt spray on it to dampen my hair. And I use the Pete and Pedro sea salt spray. And then I'm going to use the blow dryer along with a round brush to give my hair some volume. Of course, whenever I'm using a blow dryer, I'm always using heat protectant. I just get a cheap one off of Amazon, $7, nothing special here. And I'm not gonna go into exact detail about the blow dryer technique and how I'm, blow drying with the brush in this video, because I did a whole other video in my last one that's a full tutorial on how I do that high volume pompadour style type of look. And so after giving my hair that volume, then I want to put in a high hold, low shine product. The ones that I'm currently using, the Paste or Control Clay from Forte series, and I'll usually opt for this look on more sociable occasions. Maybe I'm taking my wife on a date or I'm celebrating something. And the reason that I don't do this look every single day is because I really only want to keep that clay and paste, those hold products in my hair for 1 to 2 days before I'm shampooing it out again. And if I wanted to do this look every single day, I'd just be washing my hair way more often than I like. I prefer shampooing every 3 to 4 days. For my day-to-day styles, I prefer something a little more low maintenance, something that's a bit more tousled and effortless, but still looks really nice. So to achieve this sort of tousled, effortless look, I use something that still will slightly style my hair, but it also doubles as a leave-in conditioner. So instead of a high hold product, it's really a moisturizing product that's meant to be left in your hair overnight for days to come. And the best product that I found to do this is a leave-in curl cream. And this will help define my waves more. I don't have a ton of length to bring them out, but I have just enough that I can get a little bit of waves going. The go-to curl cream that I use is from this brand called Leaf and Flower. It is a curl defining cream, and I will apply, of course, heat protectant, damp hair after I shampoo and condition, and then before I blow dry, I'm gonna take about a nickel size amount of the Leaf and Flower curl defining cream. I'm gonna emulsify it in my hands, spread it throughout my hair, and then I'm just gonna start scrunching kind of all over. Just scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it. And then with this length, again, not a ton of curls to define, but it'll kind of bring them out just enough that you can get this sort of messy styled appearance. And when I take my blow dryer to dry my hair, I'll take the Lefen with the diffuser attachment and I'll just blow dry all over while I'm scrunching. Sometimes a pro tip, you can bend over and gravity sort of does its work. You'll get maximum length of your hair, and then you can just scrunch with the diffuser while you're blow drying your hair, and just keep doing that until your hair is completely dry. And that diffused heat combined with scrunching really helps it look pretty nice. You can end up again with that tousled, effortless, but well-groomed look. And this is a great day-to-day look that doesn't require too much effort, and you're applying leave-in products that are meant to be left in your hair multiple days at a time. To recap, hair care, I use the Kerastase Densifique shampoo, the Resistance conditioner, the Moroccan Oil Intense Hydration Mask 1 time a week. If I'm going for that volumizing special occasion look, I use that Pete and Pedro sea salt spray, the Lefen blow dryer with the concentrator nozzle, and the volumizing technique. Check out the last video for that tutorial. I will add a hold product after, like a Forte series clay or molding paste. If I'm going for that more effortless, low-key look, damp hair, Leaf and Flower curl defining cream, and then use the Lefen Swift with a diffuser attachment to bring those waves out just a little bit more, and that look will last me several days until my next shampoo and condition. All the products will be linked in the description. Depending on what style you want to go for, you can shop at your own content. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what other types of videos you would like to see. I'm really trying to expand my channel topics. I'd love to start bringing in some fitness, some fashion, maybe fragrances. I have a huge cabinet of colognes. I can talk about that stuff. But anyways, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to check out Lathan, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.